news that we're tracking, but also extremely emotional good news as far as Vinesh Fogart is concerned. Many emotional scenes as the wrestler returned to India. In fact, the crowds welcome Vinesh Fogart at the Delhi airport. You're looking at the visuals of the same. You can see a teary-eyed Vinesh in your visuals on your screens. But the supporters lifted Fogart up on their shoulders, and fellow wrestler Bajrang Punia as well as Sakshi Malik, they welcome Fogart back home to India. Fogart naturally so cheered upon returning to India. Fogart said, "I thank all countrymen." Fogart also said, "I'm extremely fortunate." So those are visuals that we have from you as far as, as far as Vinesh Fogart returning to India after what really transpired at the Paris Olympics 2024.
विनेश ने जो रोड से पोडियम तक सफर तय किया वो पूरे देश ने देखा, इसलिए चैंपियन की तरफ स्वागत हो रहा है। पूरे देशवासियों का धन्यवाद। सॉरी चांदी विनेश
पूरे देशवासियों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ। पूरे देशवासियों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ।
बोले बेटा खुशी से भाई 100 ग्राम वजन तो और आ जाए और खुशी हो जाए। देश ने गुआड़ना है बेटा, खुशी खूब दे रखी से बेटा। सारा काम इंतजार में से मान सम्मान स्वागत करेंगे। देश ला रहे और आप भी शांति पूछेगी। कढ़ाई चढ़ रही से लड्डू लड्डू बना रहे से परिवार रिश्तेदार भाई बंदे गांव गुआड़ सारो खेड़ते प्रोग्राम होता जाएगा या दिन छिपे पड़ेगी।
और जो देशवासी प्यार दे रहे हो लाजवाब, आप देख रहे हो सभी पूरे देश ने कैसे स्वागत किया है।
इसने जो देश के लिए किया है वो बहुत कम ऐसा प्रदर्शन करता है। तो विनेश को जितना मान सम्मान प्यार दोगे, बस मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि विनेश को मान सम्मान और ज्यादा से ज्यादा प्यार दो। उन्होंने पूरी मदद की इसके मेडल के लिए।
Alright, those are of course reactions that we got for you as far as Vinesh's mother saying that they're happy, the entire country is praising her. But more importantly, what Vinesh Fogart went to say that she's thankful to everybody. She's of course gotten emotional, and these are visuals of the same. Also talking about essentially what Bajrang Punia said, that the countrymen are giving her tremendous love, and you can see how the country welcomed her upon her homecoming. That is Nikhil Lakwani, my colleague, joins me for more as far as this is concerned. Nikhil, clearly very emotional scenes with the fact that Vinesh Fogart's back in India, but more so emotional because of what really transpired. But the celebrations nonetheless had quite a different kind of mood out there.
Well, clearly, and upon her arrival at her hometown, what we have been given to understand that the Khap Panchayat has organized a ceremony when they are going to award her with the gold medal in the first place. So what if she did not receive any of the medal from the Paris Olympics 2024, but the arrangements have been made likewise, because we all know that how exactly she has played, and it is just unfortunate that because of 100 grams of weight, she was disqualified in the very first place. But nonetheless, she has arrived in the capital city for the very first time. She was slated to arrive earlier only, but her arrival got delayed, and it was informed that the decision which was awaited from the side of the authority back in Paris, it will be informed in the very first place to Vinesh Fogart and in person. But now she has arrived in the capital city, and many of the people, the locals as well, and those who cherish her, they have already arrived at the IGI airport, but now she has left for her hometown. And because of the same, some of the congestion is something that we would like to report. This is the particular patch, and in fact, Nivedna, in just few meters from here, there is cavalcade of Sakshi Malik, Bajrang Punia, Vinesh Fogart, of course, is there on the vehicle. And in fact, the leader from the Congress party and the member of parliament, Deepinder Hooda, was also seen receiving Vinesh Fogart. So on one side, her cavalcade is moving towards the side of the Haryana. On another side, this is the traffic jam which is currently being reported at the Delhi-Gurugram Expressway. And we need to see as to how exactly the reaction is going to come out from the side of Vinesh Fogart, because ever since she has arrived in the capital city, she has not spoken a single word. But
Right,
clearly,
Nikhil.
a lot of
You're
people
showing
have
us
already...
what's essentially happening there, but clearly a lot of movement is happening. But we're welcoming Vinesh back, and she did, of course, react saying that she's extremely fortunate for all the support.